boarding. Hey, Mom.
Hi.
Are you excited?
Yep. I'm so excited.
But it's late, di ba?
Yeah.
Anong oras na?
Almost 11 o'clock.
11 na. And then, ngayon lang kami aalis. And I'm so tired. Nag-drive pa ako ng 5 hours from Quezon papunta dito. Tapos pumunta pa ako ng condo para mag-pack. And yeah. Actually on time. Diba? In fairness. We're not promoting this, but in fairness kay AirAsia. Hey guys! Good morning! We just landed at Pudong Airport. Sobrang lamig. I'm so tired. Yun lang masasabi ko today. So, ang agenda namin today is we're gonna check in and then tutulog and then Universal ba today? 3 days. Day tour if possible. But as you can see, walang tao. It's already 2:30 in the afternoon. Hi, Mom! Hey! Kakagising lang namin. Medyo matagal yung tulog namin. Pero masarap yung breakfast namin. Chicken with rice, may hot dogs. And parang 1 cent lang ata siya. So, ang gagawin namin today is city tour. Tapos, gusto ko ipatay sa kanila yung milk tea kasi nung nag-China ako before, nung high school ako, sobrang sarap ng milk tea. And super mura pa. So, magtingin din kami ng boutiques today. And, aawray kapatid ko. Hey, we're here! Say hi! Andito po kami ngayon sa Shanghai City part. So, naghahanap kami ng marunong mag-English kasi sobrang hirap magtanong. Pero gagamitan natin ang skills ko. Hey, we're here at Nanjing Road. Hey you guys! What's up? It's so cold! Okay, nag-trigger na yung brunch.
Runny na yung nose ko.
Actually, runny na yung nose namin kasi sobrang lamig. Pero in fairness, kapit yung makeup, di ba? Ano nilagyan mo sa face mo yun? Foundation, concealer, ano pa? Eyeshadow, and mascara, and tint. Ako, gano'n lang ako. Kilay, concealer, tapos tint lang. Kasi, nakakatamad mong makeup. We're here, Dancing Road. So, isang street siya na parang puro shopping malls and everything. So, yeah. It's really nice. Very super lamig lang. Lasa? Good? Yummy? Wait! Good? So parang medyo spicy siya na squid. Medyo flavorful. The texture is really good. So, yeah. Sobra.
Churros ng China.
So good. Pwede nyo siya makita dito. Chicken steak sa may Dancing Road. Makikita nyo naman siya agad din.
Ang
It's
hirap
really good.
makipag-communicate.
Ang hirap makipag-usap daw. Parang kami nagsha-charades ko nun. Wait lang, andito ko sa KFC sa Shanghai. And nag-CR yung tita ko kasi kailangan yung number 2. But ito yung pinakaya ko sa mahirap mag-CR kapag ganyan. Yung CR mo. Ayun guys, hindi ko ma-take. Actually, na-experience ko na. Hassle mag-number 2. Pero okay naman yung flush. Pero parang effort. Effort ko.
Holla, yeah, 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 yeah. Holla, yeah, yeah.
Really nice in here. Super lamig. Hey guys. Mo-order kami pero hindi ko alam kung ano yung tawag. Pero masarap siya. Parang siyang tinapay tapos may filling sa loob. And it's really good. So yeah. Let's try this one. It's $8. Yeah. It's good. Yeah. How much? We're waiting for the chicken. Still cooking, and then we were gonna wait. I think we had more than 13 sticks of chicken, and then the squid and everything. So sobrang sarap niya, in fairness naman. And mura lang. Diba? Bakit? Sobrang anghang! Sobrang anghang nung alin? Chicken. Pero masarap. We're going back to the hotel. Bumili lang kami ng drinks. water, and breakfast para bukas. Kasi bukas, pupunta kami sa Disneyland. Yay! Pero sobrang lamig talaga. As in, 11 degrees. Ang lala. Well, dito na kami sa hotel namin. Para matulog. Kasi maaga pa bukas. So, I'll see you guys. Bye!